I rarely ever make cakes, and that's because decorating them really stresses me out. I'll start frosting one up, thinking that it looks like a beautiful masterpiece, but in reality, it just looks like I ate it all, spit it out, and served it on a beautiful cake stand. Yum! So I thought I'd make it a fun challenge by letting my Instagram followers control how I decorate an entire cake. It could end up with me smiling or end up with me crying on the floor. Earlier, I posted a series of poll questions. I waited a few minutes and now I'm gonna see the results and do this bad boy. First up, which style of cake? A very naughty naked cake or PG-13 covered cake? And the results are, woo, very, very close. 54% want it covered. Since I'm gonna go a little crazy with the decorations, I decided to have a nice plain base. I have some vanilla cakes here already baked off and leveled, and then I also have some vanilla buttercream. Not some, a lot. You know, just in case I make mistakes, but really it's just for midnight snacks later. Before I assemble my cake, I'm putting down this little gadget here. If you have a Lazy Susan or a TV monitor rotating thing, it's perfect as a rotating cake stand. I feel like I've been doing this part for like 10 minutes, but I want to make it nice and even. We don't want an unbalanced cake. We don't want the people to know it's been dealing with some issues. It's okay, cake. I'm here if you need to talk. All right. So I'm just gonna clean up the bottom edges here and then pop this in the fridge to chill a bit. Oh wait, I know a better cleaning technique. Use your finger. While that's chilling in the fridge, it's time to work on the next part of the frosting. I asked if they wanted a chocolate drip or some ombre petals. All right, the results are ombre petals. Nice. I've never actually made frosting petals or ombre anything, in fact. My favorite color is orange, so I'm gonna do an orange ombre here. The stressful part about making a cake is making it look good enough to serve to your family or friends. I feel like people are gonna judge me, and so that's why I'm hyper stressed. But you know what? You just gotta put yourself out there. Frosting and cake, you know? If they like the outside, they gotta like the inside. Hopefully. I was working with this a lot, so I got a little soft. I'm gonna pop it in the fridge to firm up a bit. Meanwhile, let's work on the next part. Now, I love to get piped. Should I do piped succulents or piped flowers? All right, here are the results. Succulents, yeah, baby. This is totally out of my comfort zone, but I'm gonna give it my best shot. Now, what I love about succulents is that they come in different colors, shapes, and patterns. So I'm gonna color this frosting in different variations, some greens, maybe a little pinks and purples. Let's see where this goes. I've got all of my succulent colors ready to go, and now I'm gonna play around with some different designs inspired by nature. So I'll do some bags that'll be solid color, some will be mixed. I'm gonna show you how to do a mixed one. But before I go and add the color, I'm going to insert a tip. I've got an assortment of tips here. I wanna make a little stripe of color, so I'm going in with this long spatula to really get in there. And I'll just put it all the way in and drag it up the side of the bag. Then I'm gonna go in for this beautiful darky green color over here. Someone should hire me to name crayons. Oh, that color combo is amazing. I'm gonna set this aside and then keep working on the bags. Now for some ombre action, I'm gonna start with the lightest color up top and then work my way down. To make the ombre effect, I'm gonna use a spoon dipped in a little bit of water and just drag it down at the tip. I hope this turned out better. I really do, I really do. I am in control of... Okay. This was not fun at all. I really wish you guys picked chocolate drip because all I had to do is put the ganache drippy drippy on the sides and it would have been beautiful. I did some research and I've been practicing how to make the proper pipe succulent. and it's not as easy as it looks. But I think I can make a decent succulent. So I've got a flower nail here. I'm gonna put some of this frosting there. Put a little parchment piece right there. It's just so that it doesn't slide off. And then I've got this piping bag that doesn't have a tip on it. It's just a circle hole there. Circle hole. And you make a little mound. And then you press, squeeze, and release up to make a spike. It's starting to look like a plant. All right, I'm just gonna keep on piping and see what I can create. My little baby succulents are chilling in the fridge to firm up. Meanwhile, I'm gonna use this peeler to shave some chocolate right on top to resemble dirt. Here are my succulents. Some of them look cute and some they look natural. I'm not loving the ombre petals, but I do love the little succulent garden on top. And now for the finale. I asked if we should use sprinkles or shimmer. And the result is shimmer. People love a good glitz glitz. I'm laughing because this actually doesn't look so bad. Thank you to all those who voted. I hope you are pleased with your creation.